Still lighting candles to mask home odors? Let's fix the real problem. Here are 6 hidden stink zones and how to banish them for good. Your couch is comfy, but also a scent sponge. Mix fabric softener, a quarter cup of rubbing alcohol, and half a cup of water in a spray bottle. Mist lightly to freshen up fast. Grease, smoke, and food odors cling to curtains. Wash or dry clean once a year, especially near kitchens. Still smelling something off after taking out the trash? Clean the garbage disposal with a mix of baking soda and vinegar. Let it sit for an hour, then rinse. And swap your sponge every 1 to 2 weeks. That mildew scent, it's your washer. Run a hot cycle with bleach monthly. Just remember to add an extra rinse. Your furry friend stuff, major odor source. Wash pet beds, blankets, and toys often. Baking soda is your best friend. Sprinkle it on your carpet, let it sit a few hours, then vacuum. Don't forget your trash bin. Scrub it down, disinfect, and add a dryer sheet to absorb future odors. No more mystery smells, just a clean, fresh home that actually smells clean.